Check it out. Who am I here with?
Yo, it's JD. First cigar safari of 2018. I'm here with my boy DJ Eli, his first trip in Nicaragua. And right here, we're gonna take a look at, this is the strongest tobacco leaf in the world that you're gonna find. This is what's called ASP Ligero. ASP is the name of the company. They're a very famous company for making very full-bodied, heavy leaf here in Nicaragua. So this material is filler tobacco. You're not looking at like beautiful wrapper leaf, but what you're looking at is just very, very heavy. The way you pronounce it is Ligero.
Ligero life.
My man.
Yes,
so, good times with DJ Eli. Peace out.
Peace out, everybody.
Stop cameraing me.